Hey everyone, my name is John. I was lucky enough to get to study astronomy at university, and then when I was done university, I went off and started my real job. But while I was there, I got to work as the telescope operator at an observatory located on the campus. I got to do public tours, and when I had some free time, I got to dwell into astrophotography. Because my friends and family know that I have this background in astronomy, when I show up their houses, sometimes they'll say, John, do you want to show me how to use this telescope? So they may have this telescope that's sitting in a box that's never been opened, or an old telescope that's, been collecting dust in a cupboard somewhere. And we take this telescope out and we would set it up, and I would point it at the moon, for example, and we'd look at it through the telescope, and they would be amazed by what you could see through this cheap $50 telescope. And so what I could do is take my phone, hold it up to the lens of the telescope, and hold it just right and take a photo of the moon, and it would just be this breathtaking photo. I'd send it to them and they'd be amazed by what we could do with this, with a $50 telescope, what you can actually see. I'm making this channel so that you can see how much you can do with a very cheap telescope. I'll also show you how you can use your telescope to take a picture of Saturn and see the rings going around that planet. I'll show you how to use your telescope to take a picture of Jupiter and see the moons going around it. We'll also take a picture of the Andromeda galaxy, the closest galaxy to the Milky Way. I think you'll be very impressed with what you can achieve with a very cheap telescope, so please follow me as we go into the stars.